Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. Today we'll talk about one of the best phone mounts for motorcycles, the Oxford Cliqr. One of the first accessories that a motorcyclist buys is usually a phone mount. It's easy to understand why. Smartphones are becoming constant companions on our regular rides, whether it's for navigation, taking or receiving calls, serving as an onboard DJ, or just providing an easy way to snap some scenic shots on a tour. And that means a sturdy mount that can securely grip your device while still allowing for adjustability and accessibility is becoming an indispensable accessory for any ride. But it doesn't mean you should settle for a cheap plastic trinket that will snap at the first sight of a pothole. Like most of us, I went for one of the most popular options available out there, the cheap and popular X-Grip ripoff based on the RAM mount. It worked well for a while, but then one of the rubber beads fell off, and then it wasn't much reliable, and I wasn't sure about trusting it with the only phone that I had. I then tried one of the other options, but that one too gave up after a while, and my hunt for a better phone mount continued. After looking at many options, both expensive and cheap, I finally found one that looked sturdy and secure, and that's how I got the Oxford Cliqr. The Oxford Cliqr is a tough but lightweight mounting system made of glass-filled nylon body. The fixture is made of stainless steel and the entire system is very compact and easy to use. Once you have attached your mount to the handlebar, it is fairly easy to attach your phone as well. All you need to do is align your adapter with the mount and just slot it in. Removing the phone is quite easy too. All you need to do is press the tiny button on the side and just slot your phone out. Since the adapter has a symmetrical design, you can mount the phone in portrait mode, or you can mount it in the landscape mode as you wish. Okay, so let's test this thing out. Initial impressions seem to be good. The phone that I'm currently using is a Galaxy Note 8, the bigger phones on the market, and it looks like it is holding it quite securely. Because of the compact nature of the mount, it takes up very little space on the handlebar, and you can see that I can place the phone in landscape mode quite comfortably. It gives me a bigger view of the navigation screen, which is ideally preferred. This thing holds the phone quite securely even if you come across high-speed bumps, bad roads, trails, and even some of the rough patches as well. So if you're thinking about buying a smartphone mount for your motorcycle and it has a flat handlebar or a space on your clip-on handlebar, it's a bit on the pricier side, but I feel that it's a good investment, and the peace of mind that comes with it is really worth it.